Hey guys, it's Tessa. So today I am making a video where I have to build this thing. So tomorrow is my graduation party, and so there's gonna be a lot of noises in this background because like a lot of people are here at my house and I'm in my family room. But I'm going to be building this table, coffee table, because I don't know, I just thought it'd be really fun because I'm probably not gonna be able to do it myself. Also, I dyed my hair. So that's pretty neat. So let's just go ahead and get started, you know? Let's see how long it takes me to put this up. We should all be thankful for something in this world. Alright, you guys. So, you can't even see it. Okay, so I gotta open this first. Might need a knife. Let's see if I'm fine. Look at me go. Watch me break this. This says that there's no tools necessary, so that's pretty neat. Okay, so here's a piece B, alright, and then we have part B again, like my grades in high school. Oh, it came with the little thingies like this. I didn't think it did. Instructions. We don't need those. And then we have these little block things. I don't know what these are. Ow! My ankle hurts. Oh dear. This looks complicated. I thought they said there were no tools necessary, unless they just kind of screw themselves. Screw themselves. They're F's. And then A. Alright. Oh. This little guy made things very difficult. I don't know if that's important. Yeah. Uh-oh. There's a screw missing in that. Hopefully it'll work. Oh, and this is. Hey! Be quiet! My family, guys. A is top shelf, B is shelf, C is bins, D is top spindle, E is middle spindle, F is foot. That makes sense. Okay. That's Spanish. Where are the instructions? Step 1. Place the top shelf A surface down. Shut up! Place the top shelf A surface face down on a soft cloth or blanket. Oops. Screw the top spindles. D on the top shelf. Okay. So, first of all, can you shut up? Okay. Yep, that piece is a little important, and it came off. Uh-oh. Hopefully, that'll be okay. It's confusing. Okay, so I'm going for D. Okay. Okay. Woo! One step done. Oops. Yeah, you can't keep your mouth shut. I had to blurt that out. Guys, maybe I should be an IKEA builder. Probably not. Oh, the screw is in there. It's just a little tiny one. Okay, it'll work. It'll work. I don't know if this is gonna work. Do you have hot glue? Because this piece was broken.
What?
It's just gotta glue right onto the little thingy right here.
You can get the Gorilla Glue out, it would work.
Okay, well, where is that?
Out here.
I don't need that. But
Gave it to me.
Vader, out of here. All right, so we got the Gorilla Glue here. I've never actually used this stuff. Oh, it says shake well.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty.
All right. I don't think that did anything. Nothing comes out of this Gorilla Glue. Hey, can you get this? It's not coming out. Oh, that makes sense. It's taking way too long. Ugh. This is not working! Oh. Improvising. How long do you have to let this sit? If I could read the instructions. Apply one, no, only one dab. Press the surface together for about 10 to 30 seconds. What's the next step? Next we are going to, I got glue on my fingers. Attach one shelf B by using middle spindles E. This is not working. I need to butter this. Jiminy Christmas. Alright. Where'd that freaking go? There it is. Guys, I'm struggling. Okay, I'm just gonna follow this little diagram. I think B goes next. And that means I have to take all this crap off. So B goes on here, but then we need the E spindle. Put it on. I think. Okay. We're doing great, guys. I haven't been taking the stickers off, which I don't know if that's a bad thing. I'll just say that we're practicing our ABCs. I'm doing great, guys. Ask me how I'm really doing. Great. I don't know if that's good enough. I guess we'll find out if it falls over. Okay, and then next is the next shelf, and then E. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. So how's your guys' day going? Pretty good? Yeah? I'm here to say that if I can build this table, so can you, because I suck. Oh, frick. This Gorilla Glue came off. Ah! Now it's on me. Oh, didn't think that through. That's not gonna work. Oh, frick. Dear Heavenly Father, I just pray that this table will come together because I don't like the way this glue feels on my fingers. Hey, if I get Gorilla Glue on me, will it kill me?
Yes. You just won't be able to be stuck to it.
Cool.
I'll do these.
This is why we shop at IKEA and not the Family Dollar that's closing. Alright. I gotta figure this thing out. Or not my gameplay. Jesse, shut up!
You need to too.
No, I don't. Shut up.
Dad told me you were making me use it.
Yeah, Jesse, get out.
Too bad. I gotta clean it.
Mom!
What?
Tell him to get out.
It's dusty.
I don't care.
Well, I do.
Mom, what the heck do you want me
Jesse,
to do?
if you're gonna do that, you better shut up.
Well, the dust.
Be smart. Figure it out. What looks like you dust, you idiot?
You.
It's probably a bad idea. 21. I'm very sticky. Y'all should have seen the face she just gave me. Okay, I'm gonna put the shelves in, or the little thingies, and then I'll show you the final product. So, final final thoughts. I have glue all over my hands and it won't come off, so that's pretty neat. That table was very cheap and it's probably gonna break. Honestly, I sat on it and I was like, I'm gonna fall. Whoa, I just destroyed my hand. Yeah, I thought I was gonna fall or break it, you know, or both. It's hot. I was very annoyed with my whole family talking the whole time, but it's fine, it's fine. I think anybody could put that table together as long as it's not broken. But it's okay, it's alright, it's alright. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. If you liked me putting together this table took me like 30 minutes. Give this video a thumbs up. Please just give me a thumbs up because it was 30 long freaking minutes. And subscribe to my channel because I post every Friday and it's always cool, you know? Yeah. Okay, I'm signing off. I am going to probably lay down and watch some Netflix and probably get yelled at for not doing anything. I'll see you guys next Friday.